We are making Hong Kong style breakfast. It's basically just a macaroni soup with ham, toast with sweetened condensed milk, and some eggs. First thing we're gonna do is get this soup going. So we just use cream of chicken soup. I saw Lucas Sin make this on Munchies, and it inspired me to make it. And water. Going to be using white bread today because we don't have milk bread. These are small. I'm gonna do 2 servings, so 4 eggs. Come on. Ooh, lucky 2 yolks. It's gonna be a good day. If I had some milk, I would add that to thin it out, but I'm just gonna add a little heavy cream actually and a little water. Keep an eye on the soup, make sure it doesn't burn. Do I wanna cut the crust off? I guess I do. Add in the macaroni. Let's make toast. Some butter. To the soup, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil and white pepper. Flip the toast. Take a little bit of ham out. Cut up the ham. Should be enough. Cut the toast. A little butter. Let's make the eggs. Push. You want like a little bit of a runnier egg, a little bit of salt. Eggs on the plate, macaroni off, and a little bit of ham. And finally, a little condensed milk on the toast. And we are good. Here we have it, Hong Kong style breakfast. Okay, let's try this. Interested in the soup first, for sure. A little macaroni noodle. Yum. Some eggs. And some condensed milk toast. All good. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this. Goodbye.